Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you exact differential equation. df is equals, so here it is, df is equals to dava f over dava x multiplied by dx plus dava f over dava y multiplied by dy is equal to 0. So m is equals to x comma y multiplied by dx plus n x comma y multiplied by dy is equal to 0. So here it is the first equation, m x comma y is equals to dava f over dava x is equation 1, whereas the equation 2 is n x comma y is equals to dava f over dava y is equal dava f over dava y, equation 2. Conditions for being exact. Conditions for being exact are dava m over dava y is must be equal to dava n over dava x. So first we will start off with an example, that is 3x square y plus 2 multiplied by dx, that is m. As I told you above, that m is with m is with dx. Now the other one will be x cube plus y multiplied by dy. So other one would be with n. So here it is dava f over dava x and dava f over dava y. So for the first one would be dava f over dava x and the second one would be dava f over dava y. So now we know that m is equal to 3x square y plus 2. So dava m over dava y is equal to 3x square. So n is equal to x cube plus y. So dava n over dava x is equals to 3x square. So as we know that dava m over dava y is equal to dava n over dava x, so we will apply exact differential equation. So here it is dava f over dava x, as I told you before. So the equation is dava f over dava x. So dava f over dava x would be multiplied by dava x is equals to integration sign 3x square y plus 2 multiplied by dava x. So f is equals to 3x cube for y over 3 plus 2x plus hy. What is hy? When we integrate partially, so hy is a constant of a function. It is a constant introduced. So x cube y plus 2x plus x comma y, x h function of y. So now we f, when we have the equation of f, now we will differentiate f partially with respect to y, that would be x cube plus 0 plus h dash y. Now as we know from the first page, that dava f over dava y is equals to x cube plus y. So we will now equate it, it would be x cube plus y is equals to x cube plus h dash y. So y would be h dash y. So we will integrate y, so that would be h dash, sorry, h dash y would become h y is equal to y square over 2 plus c. So the final equation would be x cube y plus 2x plus y square over 2 plus c. In the second part, it is reducible to exact differential equations. If delta n over delta x is not equals to delta m over delta y, so reducible to exact is applied. Rule number 1 is delta m over delta y minus delta n over delta x over delta n is equals to fx. Integrating factor would be, so integrating factor would be e integrating fx multiplied by dx. So multiply integrating factor y by the first equation, by the equation that is given, by the equation that is given to you. In rule number 2, if dawa n over dawa x minus dawa m over dawa y upon m is equals to f would be f function of f y. So integrating factor would be e f function of f y multiplied by dy. So the so again this integrating factor would be multiplied by the equation, by the by the first equation. So here we look at an example, that is 2x ln x minus xy multiplied by dy plus 2y multiplied by dx is equal to 0. So as we know that n is equals to 2x ln x minus xy, as n is with as n is considered with an equation having dy and m is considered an equation having dx. So delta n over delta x is equals to 2x. It is 2 plus 2 ln x minus y, and m is equals to 2y, so dawa m over dawa y is equals to 2, that is dawa n over dawa x, that is 2 plus 2 ln x minus y. So these both are not same. So now we will apply reducible to exact differential equation formula. For now we are applying rule 2, so because that is applicable here. 2 plus 2 ln x minus y minus 2 over 2y is equals to fy. So after simplifying it would be 2 ln x minus y over 2y is equals to fy. So this was actually rule 1 that cannot be simplified. So we will switch on to rule 2, that is minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 ln x plus y over 2x ln x minus xy is equals to fx. So after simplifying it we get x minus 1, that is minus 1 over x. So this minus 1 over x would be integrated minus e minus ln x. So the final integrating factor would be x to the power minus 1. So we will multiply 1 over x with the whole equation. So the whole equation, now we will check for dawa n over dawa x, that is 2 over x, and dawa m over dawa y is equals to 2 over x. Now these both are same. Now we can apply exact differential equation and get exact differential equation method, and then we will get this answer. Hope you Thanks for watching the video. Hope you understand.